Hello, my name is Roldan Garcia. I live in Sopó, Cundinamarca. I'm working in Alcaldía Municipal. Our holidays. My last vacation trip with my family to Villavicencio. There we stayed in a great hotel located on the way to Puerto Lopez. We stayed for 5 days in which we enjoyed the sun, all and lot of rest. We visited the obelisk, a very nice place, where you can see the Holy Plain, visit the ostrich reserve and also the zoo located in Restrepo Meta. A nice vacation. The place we visited is a very warm place. There is quite sunny, with great landscapes. At night it is not cool. It is really a very case place. Wonderful. It's important that you keep in mind the following recommendations if you want to travel to Villavicencio zone. Enough sunscreen to protect you from the sun. Wear comfortable clothes for the trip. Always keep a guide to the tourist sites in Villavicencio. Do not miss out on trying the delicious typical dish. It is advisable to travel in the day so you can see the beautiful landscapes. Enjoy the beautiful Llanera music and its folklore. If you travel by road, you need money available because you will find enough tolls. However, remember that you cannot. I am very confident with your belongings can be insecure. Traveling at speed. Roads can be dangerous. Travel through unknown roads late at night. Wear a wardrobe that is not appropriate. Enjoy your trip.